SAMAC Engineering today is experiencing a historic day in a historic moment. We are unveiling, or we were unleashing and bringing to the market for the first time the first African designed and manufactured air conditioning unit.
We started building this invention around about 2014, where we built our first prototype that was made from a cooler box and some funny pump that we bought from the store. But just to prove our concept, we had partners such as Invotech who funded the first prototype.
The first designed and manufactured mobile and thermal storage air conditioning system.